settled down in Philadelphia, we thought, so what can we do for the Korean people? Their first concern is educating their children. And actually, you know what, the second generation Korean children, they have some confusion in their nationality. They are whether American or Korean. We will introduce some Korean culture, which is very scientific, so they can feel some kind of proud of their traditional culture. Korean culture is very nature friendly. So their games are also very deeply related with the nature of the universe. There are four kinds of percussions, which is symbolize the thunder and wind and the rain and the earth. So at least today, we're gonna pull out them from their room and play with their friends. They meet friends, and while playing the game, they can cooperate with their friends.